What's up, Clashers? Mighty Mouse from Exclusive World, continuing coverage of the Covering War. Covering the coverage of the Covering War. Yeah. So now we're moving on to number 15, Archilleus, who is going to take on their number 14 symbols. And these are both, I'm going to show both of his attacks here in the same video. These are both on very popular internet bases. I don't have the names of them. Maybe somebody will be kind enough to leave it in the comments. But let's go. So he is bringing 30 hogs to this pie fight, and they are going to make quite a mess. So here they come, 3 and 3, taking down 2 defenses before the fight even starts. That way the clan castle pole also does some damage. It's a nice way to do it. I think 3 hogs on a defense usually will take it down before the clan castle gets there. It depends on how far they are away. Sometimes it takes 4. So poison spell kill. Here come the 2 golems. So notice he's taking out a big section of the DPS down there at 7 o'clock. And now he's going to take out the same 2 towers here at 5 o'clock, letting the golems in with some wall breakers. So the queen's going to go in and do that. And then he's going to let them jump in, take out the queen, and go into the core. So a great start to the fight. If you noticed, he sent in 3 hogs to take down that wizard tower so that it would not do splash damage and hit the wizards and things behind there. Kind of smart. So a big section of the base, a lot of defenses going down to this kill squad. Very nice. And here come the hogs. 3-point defenses up top. He sent about 10 to 12 hogs. That was quite a few, but that's what you need for 3. And then a heal spell on it. Same thing on the other 3. And if you look around the base, all there is left is the core, the Teslas, who are shooting at the golems and king. So there's really nothing else to damage these hogs. This is it. The raid's pretty much over at this point. That was really well planned and executed. So let's go ahead and watch him clean up the last of these few defenses, and then I'll hit fast forward. It's really rough when you grab an internet base and you don't really understand that it can't stand up to a hog attack like this. You really have to have double giant bombs somewhere in the base, even to make it a little bit scary. And to make, if they don't know what they're doing, maybe they'll make a mistake and run the hogs over the bombs. But if there aren't even any double giant bombs in the base, if there aren't even 4 bombs in the base, he didn't even set off 4 of them. He only set off 2. There's just no way to stop it. Doesn't matter how big your defenses are. So, yeah, let's fast forward. Nice attack, Archilleus. Okay, we're gonna jump straight off of this one, straight into your second one. So going in on the next attack and starting it off. So another very popular internet base, very similar style to the one we just saw, except this one has 4 different spots for double giant bombs, and he's got to check and see where they are. Luckily, in this one, one of those spots has an air defense, an air cannon at about 5 o'clock there, blocking part of it. So there could be Teslas in those compartments. There could be giant bombs. If you notice, at 7 o'clock, there's 2 archer towers and then a line for double giant bombs. And there's another one in the compartment where his golem just went in there at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock-ish. And his golem just walked over it, and there was nothing there. So there we go. One was set off at 5 o'clock or at 7 o'clock there. So now he knows where one of the giant bombs is. Now he's looking for the rest. Probably what you're going to find is that the bombs are symmetrical. So if you set off one set at 7 o'clock, you're probably going to find the other set at 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock. And here he comes, and I'm sure that's what's going to happen. Let's see here. Nothing. Oh, I didn't even see it happen. It happened down there at 5 o'clock. Okay. So the 2 giant bomb sets were already set off. The power of point release hogs is that you release them in different packs. So if one of the packs should jump over a double set and explode into a bajillion pieces with giblets everywhere, you still have more to go. So that helps sometimes to get around it if you don't know where they are. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, this base is reminiscent of a base called Sudoku. Maybe you can find that one on the internet and check it out.